Hello again, everyone. Bit of a disaster yesterday when my video didn't export properly. I was running out of space in my computer, hadn't made space. It didn't export properly. I didn't notice. Uploaded it to YouTube and we had 11 minutes instead of 24. So as soon as someone pointed it out to me, I went back, deleted a whole bunch of stuff, got rid of made a lot more space, re-exported it, re-uploaded it, blah, blah, de blah. But we got there in the end. So I'm very, very sorry about that. I should have checked sooner. So today I want to make a birthday card, 50th birthday card. 35 years ago, a charming young man came to stay with us for a week on an exchange through my son's school. My son hosted this chap, and a little while later he went over to stay with this chap's family in Caen. They live about as far from the port in France as we live away from Portsmouth here, which is really handy. And over the years, there's been lots of back and forths between the boys and us. We've been really, really friendly with the family for 35 years. In fact, we saw them, I think, twice last year. We were going on cruises that happened to stop in France. The first one was at Le Havre, and they came up to Le Havre, picked us up, took us back to the house for the day. We had a wonderful day. The next one, it stopped at Honfleur. They came again, picked us up. We had a lovely day. Well, they're going to have a celebration for, his name is Davy, for his birthday, but not until May. But his birthday is this coming weekend. So I want to make him a birthday card. So he's got a card for his actual birthday, and then we'll be going over in May for the celebrations to be organised by his wife. So my son will be 50. Davy is 50. The two boys, one's called Davy, the other one's called David. Davy would speak to David in English. David would speak to Davy in French. It was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Anyway, we're still friends and it's lovely. But what to do for a French chap? So I thought what I'll do, I'll make a backdrop of the tricolour, the French flag, bleu, blanc, rouge. So the panel for my square card is 14 centimetres, which doesn't help for dividing into 3. So what I thought I would do is 14.7, I think it is the nearest. So what I'll do, I'll make the white bit 14.7 and then just sort of centre it with the other two bits. So let me first of all stick, this is just, I've got various sheets of paper. I'll trim them up in a moment. Let me just put some tape on this bit here. I'll put it absolutely parallel with the bottom. Let me do a bit of trimming up in a minute. Now I want this bit to be bigger than 14.7 because I want to use the die on it. So where's my ruler gone? Here it is. 4.7 rather. It's about there. So if I do it to about 5, around about 5, that should give me plenty of space. Okay. And I've got measures on here, but it's in inches. Oh dear, that's helpful, isn't it? So let's go about there. Okay. I like this one because it's got a good lip. Is that enough? Yes, it's over. It's fine. Yep, it's fine. Okay. Let's do the next one. Well, we want 14.7 for this. So let me just, this is in centimetres, this one. That'll be about there, won't it? Is that about 14.7 from there to there? It's not far off. It's actually not far off. Okay, let's just put some glue on this. Okay. Pop that on the 10. That one on there. Is that 14.4.7? Not far off. That doesn't look square to me. Let's do this side. There we go. Okay, now I can take this over to my switch and cut that out. Well, I've cut out my flag. I've got my gold letters cut out. I started off thinking I would like to do this happy birthday. I wanted the happy birthday to be in English because, you know, we are English. I do have dies that say joyeux anniversaire or whatever, but I wanted it in English. And I looked at this and I thought, you know, that's kind of just too much. I thought, should I change the colour? Should I do something? And I thought, well, perhaps, I don't know, I'll try something else. So this one is Alexandra Renke. This one is a Julie Hickey. Can't remember what that one is. Can't remember. It's an American one, I think. I don't remember. And I thought I could put the happy up there with the middles of the letters going straight through the line, which I thought looked kind of cool. Like that. And I could put the birthday down the side like this. And his name in the bottom corner, and just have that kind of like that. And I thought that would kind of make it okay. So I don't know what you think, but I'm going to have a go. Now, because I've got so much gold here, I don't want to get glue on the front, and these are big expanses of gold, and if you get some on there it's going to look bad. So I thought I'd try micro dots to stick them on with. Somebody said to me today, they were saying, aren't micro dots, what did she call them, the ant's pants? I said, well, I think they're the dog's pajamas. I think they're pretty fab. So we're going to do that. So first of all, first thing, let me just stick this down. What I've done, this is actually 3 layers, that's 2, and that's the one. I just left them as they were, cut them out, and stuck these extra layers together. Okay, let's pop that onto the card first of all. It's funny, we say red, white and blue, and the French say blue, white and red, because it's the order of appearance on the flags. Okay, bleu, blanc, rouge, et voila. Test my French a bit, won't it, when we go over there again. Right, now I think this is the important thing to get. I'd like that so you can't just see this little bit here. I think it would look quite nice just like that. That up a bit to make room for the davy just there. So micro dots. What we do is we open up the pack. One side is thin and the other side is stiffer. So we lift up the thin layer and expose the micro dots. This one's been done before and it's split a little bit. So let's just see. Can you see? Yeah, it's split a bit. But the micro dots are on there, not on the flimsy bit, on the stiff bit. So if we pop what we want to stick onto the dots, let's do these two. Will they fit? If I move that over a bit, it might. Pick some up already. Over there. This one. Just there. Now I'm going to close the lid back on, just so that I can press down on those letters so that they'll pick up the micro dots from underneath. Okay. And then we'll open this up again. Doesn't help that it's split, but still, never mind. It doesn't stop it from working. Pick up and all over the back. Can you see? Heaps of micro dots. Let's pop this on here. I wanted that to go straight in the middle of that line. Okay, and this one, covered with micro dots on the back. This one, I wanted this one just so that oh, I don't like those. These are my favourites. Just about like that. So there's just no white showing inside the curve of the 5. Okay, that's that. Next, let's do the birthday. Got to look now. Got to try and find places where there's still some dots. Let's take that off for a minute. Let's go across there with that. The happy, I can see we've got some dots here. Those 2 big ones took quite a few of them. But if you look across, across the light against them, you can see where they are. There's some just there. Have we got many more? This has been used before, by the way. This particular sheet. It wasn't a brand new one. Just looking to see where they are. There's some there. And there's some just there. Okay, let's just press those down. Didn't pick any up with that. Just there. Okay, let's try and get these on. I should have started with the new one. It would have been a lot more impressive, but still, it just goes to show that, you don't have to have a new one every time. You can just keep using different places on the same piece. Right. I want this to go with the lines in the middle of the letters straight up the line between the 2 colours. There we go. Move it over just slightly. There we are. Okay. Happy. Now birthday. Let's pick this one up. Okay. There we go. Now it's just his name. Then I can get this in the post. This whole family came to both our kids' weddings. My son was married in his Cambridge College chapel, his old Cambridge College chapel. And they came over for that. My daughter was married in just outside Bath. They came over for that. We went over to Davi's wedding. Oh, wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Lovely, lovely family. So there we are. We're done. I wonder if I put a little fleur-de-lis or something in. I'm not sure. We'll see. This coming Saturday, I'm going to be going to the Craftorama or Stamporama, whatever it is, craft show in Southampton. That's the 21st of March. I'm going to go with my friend Nicola. So if any of you are going, do please message me and come and say hi. I'd love to say hello. So this coming Saturday, Eastleigh, Southampton, the Stamporama, Craftorama, whatever it's called, craft show. Love to see you. Okay, so there we go. Card for a chap, a bit of reference in the background just to who they are, what they are, whatever, and a name, a number, and a happy birthday. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll come back and see me very soon.